And boom guys, look at my coins and gems. It's actually generating. What's up YouTube, and welcome to my brand new video. In this video I will show you how I got unlimited coins and diamonds for Cooking Fever, absolutely free, safe and online guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called zaptweak.com. Then scroll down and you will find the Cooking Fever online tool. Click there and now just click install now, and this is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices guys. So I test this many times and this is amazing mode. So let's wait for installing and let's see the next step. Okay guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher with the app or downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description of what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will on TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and I got this message. You completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute. So if you have this message guys, you're on the right way. So let's wait together and let's see. Nice guys, verification complete. Thank you for next step, check your home screen. So guys, let me check. And guys, as you can see, I have this icon Cooking Fever. So as you can see, I download Travel Town, TikTok, and I got this. So let me open this and let's see. Okay, it's opening the game. So let's see. Okay. And boom guys, look at my coins and gems. It's actually generating. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.